Good evening.
Uh, as we told you previously that our topic is based on 3 points: mentality, uh, physically, and economically. Firstly, we have mentality. Africa must imagine and create his own system and how to live. Africa needs the intellectual man to develop this continent. And I think that the internet don't help you to develop this continent. We have also one point: Africa needs to be conscious and bring out together to build and think about the future. Secondly, we have physical. Africa have the strong men, and those strong men can exploit the range and white land which Africa have. Economically, I think that Africa have many animals and vegetations. Why not use the tourists to develop our countries? I think that all things which I said contribute to develop our continent, continent Africa. That's to conclude, as our learned opponent said, that the internet will help development Africa. My teammate and I reject his opponent. Briefly, I think that an internet is just a hobby and something which cannot help to develop our continents. The development of our the development of our country depend on our work. And I hope that my learned opponent is convinced that the internet cannot and will not help our continuous development. And internet is not a good medium and a good way to help us of our development. Thanks.